This pothos plant I have kept indoors as an indoor plant. This is one of their purifier plant. Not only that, this is very easy growing and I don't water it on regular basis. I skip regular watering. I water it when the top layer is dry out and I give this a mist spray in the morning. That is what I do to keep it healthy. And look at this stem. It's so long I didn't go to cut it because I love it. It looks so beautiful with the green leaves. So this is one of the best house plants for you to have low maintenance and permanent. Have this one plant as a house plant. Add it to your house plants collection. Super easy growing house plant. What is the most easy growing house plant? My answer is pothos plant. Are you a beginner gardener? Are you a person who have no time for gardening? This is one of the plants for you. Buy this plant and keep it in the shade and also follow all the instructions that I have given in the video. That will be very helpful for you. So today I'm going to cover up about pothos plants, all about money pothos, money plant, and also this is one of the feng shui lucky plants. So stay tuned until the end to know all the details about pothos plants. Come back to Tamara's garden. I'm Tamara and I will be giving you all the details you need about pothos plants. This money plant is at the entrance of my home. This is golden pothos and neon pothos together in one planter. This plant getting exposed to sunlight, medium to moderate sunlight during the daytime, and it is in outdoor garden. I love this neon pothos, which is also in my outdoor garden in the partial sunlight area. It is in a medium sized pot and I have given a support also. I have placed it on the parapet wall on top of that. And here I put a small cutting of money plant with the spider plant. Along with that, on the side of the pot I put this beautiful neon pothos. Do you know the varieties of pothos plants? These are marble queen pothos. Here I have golden pothos, neon pothos and enjoy pothos. So you can understand the topic that I am going to talk today. I am going to give you some details about growing these beautiful pothos plants. Pothos plants fits into any planter. Look at this. This is a small plastic planter where I have put a marble queen pothos. Pothos plants fits into DIY planters like coffee mugs. They grow really well. This plant is ideal for a beginner gardener and also this is a permanent and low maintenance plant. So if you're a beginner, don't be afraid of growing this plant. This is so simple growing, so easy growing. Very lazy gardeners even can grow this plant. You can easily grow this plant in water. Put a stem cutting in water and in no time you will see they will start to root. So take a glass which is see-through so that you will see the rooting development. And also this is the plant is ideal for a beginner gardener. Very easy growing friends, and also no need of any fertilizer too. So the first requirement is sunlight. So let me to give you a brief about this plant. So this is one of the plants once you bring from a nursery, keep it in a location where they get the partial to medium sunlight. If you keep it in your home garden as an outdoor plant, make sure it's getting indirect bright sunlight even. So the sunlight should be medium to partial sunlight. These are beautiful house plants. They are sensitive leaves. Do not expose them to bright sunlight. So that is the first thing. This will well do inside your home as a house plant, as an indoor plant. So keep them indoors to decorate your home. You can put them in different planters and make your home look so beautiful. And this is an air purifier plant too. Friends, when talking about soil should be well draining. That is the most important thing. After that you can take garden soil 1/3, sand 1/3 and cocoa peat. These plants love the moisture in their soil always. It shouldn't be soggy, it shouldn't be dry, but the moisture should be there. That is very important for the pothos plants to grow. So when you add a little bit of cocoa peat, these plants will healthily grow. When talking about watering, you can give a good mist spray in the morning. If you have kept these plants indoors as indoor plants, give them a good mist spray. Or else if we have kept them outdoors, especially in a corner where they get the sunlight a lot during the daytime, see that you water them once in the morning and once in the evening. That too, checking the soil. Do not go to overpour, because these plants doesn't like getting so soggy soil. That will lead to root rot. So you have to keep in mind not to overwater too. These plants are very easy. Only thing, you have to find the node area. These are the node areas, so you can put them in water or else in soil to propagate. As I have showed you in the video, you can put the stem cuttings in water to propagate very easily, or else directly in soil. That too, in a small planter you will see the growth of the plant. Nitrogen high fertilizer is best for money pothos plants. You can give them tea fertilizer or coffee fertilizer. If you have kept the plants indoors, no problem. Even during the rainy season you can treat your plants. But if you have kept the plants outdoors, see that during the summer season you can give them a liquid fertilizer of your choice. Always use organic fertilizer, that is my suggestion, and you can use fertilizers of your choice. Tea fertilizer and coffee fertilizer, which are high in nitrogen, is the best for these plants. This is a sick plant. Why I call it a sick plant? This is drooping leaves of the money pothos stem. I found it under my mother plant, so this must have fallen, or either must be bitten by some insect or whatever. So I put it in water. What you got to do is, if you happen to see drooping leaves, a stem of money pothos, just cut it from there and bring it to water. Put it in clear water and leave it for a couple of days, and you will see that it will be back to life. So let's see, I'll do update as well. Okay, now I will talk about some mistakes that we do when growing pothos plants. If you happen to see any insect bites of the plant leaves, what you got to do is, you will have to remove them from the plant, or else see that the soil, on top soil there are ants. So check for the pests and also for worms. So remove that, cut them off and remove it from the mother plant. And if you see any yellow leaves in the plant, if the plant doesn't look healthy, if the plant leaves are turning yellow, see that you have overwatered it. And if the leaves are drooping, see that you have not watered the plant. So immediately attend to them, or else if you over fertilize also, friends, the leaves of the money pothos plant will turn yellow. These are some of the situations that we face when we grow this plant. Other than that, you don't have any problems with growing this beautiful money plant. So if you have any questions, you can ask me, or else you can put them on the comments below. So I will try to answer your questions with my time. So I hope you find this video very useful. If you do, don't forget to give it a big like, and also if you are new, consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon with another video. Thank you. Bye bye.